spacious living and dining area. You can kitchen space that is very spacious. Space of your master bedroom of your 4 BHK. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Veena One Lux Insignia by Veena Developers located in Andheri West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office where we also have the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing sites, if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1 acre that has one high-rise tower of ground plus 36 floor, having 3 BHK, 4 BHK and duplex residences. Also talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, banquet hall, daycare, kids play area, creche and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Link Road near Lokhandwala, Andheri West, from where you have Infinity Mall only at a distance of 1 minute, Lower Oshiwara Metro Station only at a distance of 1 minute, Andheri Railway Station at a distance of 15 minutes, and also you have Western Express Highway only at a distance of 15 minutes from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. As you can see, this is exactly how your actual lobby will look. You will have 6 flats and 6 lifts on per floor. And now we will be entering the spacious 4 BHK of this project. And now we are entering the spacious 4 BHK of Veena One Lux Insignia. This 4 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1699 square feet. As we enter, you can see you have a very spacious foyer area, and to the left of the foyer area is your kitchen space that is very spacious. You can see you can easily customize your 2 parent platforms. You can customize your lower and upper units, and you can see how spacious your kitchen area is. Moving forward, this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious. You can easily customize your sofas, center tables. You can easily place a 2-way or 3-way sofa set, and you can easily address a gathering of 10 to 15 people at the very same time. Also, you can see here an extra entertainment corner provided over here that you can customize as per your choice. And right in the opposite corner of your entertainment corner is a dining area where you can easily place a 8 to 10 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. Also, you can see you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony from where you will be getting a beautiful city view. This over here is a spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs and also place swings. And this apartment is on a butterfly layout, so you have 2 bedrooms on one side and 2 on the other side. And the USP of the project is that these apartments will be 100% customizable, so you can customize your own homes. Moving forward, on this side we have your powder washroom, and this is the space of a powder washroom that you can customize as per your choice. And besides your powder washroom is your first bedroom. Right in front of the entrance of your first bedroom is the space of your washroom. And this over here is the space of your first bedroom that you can customize. You can easily place your king size bed. You can see you have plenty of walkable space. Even after placing your furniture, you can customize a beautiful seating corner. And again, you will be getting 3/4 French windows with glass facade for your safety and beautiful standing balcony look. Also, in this corner, you can customize a wardrobe. You have a 10.5 floor to ceiling height. You can see the depth of your wardrobe. You can easily fit all your things in the wardrobe. And moving forward to the next bedroom, this over here is your second bedroom that you can see is even more spacious. You can customize your beds. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can customize your TV unit, you can customize your study corner or a makeup corner, and yet again you will be getting 3/4 French windows with glass facade for safety and beautiful standing balcony look. Also, to the next of the entrance of this bedroom is the space of your private washroom that you can again customize as per your choice. You can see how spacious this washroom is. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the other side of this spacious 4 BHK. Over here, in this corner, we have a third bedroom that you can see is very spacious. Right at the entrance, you have a foyer area, and to the right, you have your wardrobe space that will give you a beautiful walk-in wardrobe look. And to the left of the entrance is the space of a private washroom that is yet again very spacious. And this over here is the space of your third bedroom. You can again easily place your king size bed. You can see you have walkable space even after placing your furniture. And again, you will be getting French windows with glass facade for standing balcony look and safety. And now let's move to the most spacious bedroom of this 4 BHK. As we enter, this over here is your foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. And as you move forward, you can see this over here is the space of your master bedroom of your 4 BHK, where you can easily place your king size bed. You have walkable space. You can also design a beautiful seating corner. This bedroom is that spacious. Again, you will be getting French windows with glass facade for safety and beautiful standing balcony look. And the best part about this bedroom is that you have a very spacious walk-in wardrobe space that you can customize as per your choice. That is the USP of the project, that homes are 100% customizable. You can customize a wardrobe in this corner as well, and you can also customize a beautiful makeup corner. And over here we have the space of a private washroom, which is very spacious, where you can also fit a bathtub if you wish to. And this was a 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Veena One Lux Insignia. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Veena One Lux Insignia by Veena Developers, located in Andheri West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.